Hello everyone, my name is Gilad Shoam. I'm the VP of Engineering of BitCloud, and today I want to discuss MCP apps. Just yesterday, the MCP committee announced the MCP apps, a new protocol which is a merge between MCP UI and OpenAI apps into one unified protocol called MCP apps. This was a work started by Liad Yosef and Idor Salomon, which are good friends of mine. So let's see a quick demo of how it works and how to build this. So if you want to read the full announcement and everything, you can go here into the blog of MCP and read these announcements from yesterday, January 26th. And let's see how it works in action. So I will open VS Code. This is a new project of I just created to demonstrate this MCP app. So let's see what's going on here. So we have here on the server TS, we have here the this resource URI. This is the MCP HTML. Okay, this is how it looks. It's very simple, and this is rendering the MCP app. This is the MCP app. Okay, we are not going to go over all of this code. It's just a simple application, simple React application. This MCP server is about returning the main players or contributors of the MCP apps protocol. So this is like kind of gestures I did for my friends Liad and Dido, and of course other great people who were involved in this project. So in order to run this project, we first need to run the MCP server. So let's run this MCP server. Okay, so the MCP server is running. If you want, you can test this MCP server via the simple or base host. I will not show it here because I want to show it inside the VS Code. Now let's configure the MCP server on VS Code. I've already configured this locally, so you can see here that I have this server. Okay, it's a simple server running on localhost which communicate with this MCP server just created. So if we just restore the server and we can go to the output, and we can see that it discovered one tool. Okay, and if you go here into the tools, we can see here that we have this history actors tool. So let's try and using this tool and see what we get back. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge this a little bit, and let's take a look. Who are the main contributor to the MCP Apps Protocol? Okay, let's as you can remember, we have this tool. Let's even tag this tool to reduce errors here. Okay, because the point here is mainly to show this is how it looks. Let's actually close this file. Okay, and let's see it in action. Okay, so it asks to use my MCP server. I will allow it. And as you can see, we get back this nice UI back. Okay, this is a carousel of the main people. Let me reduce this a little bit. So you can see here, this is a real functional UI. Okay, with the main actors that took part of these protocols according to the blog post. Okay, and this is fully functional. I can click this LinkedIn and it will open Liad LinkedIn, and I can I don't know, click the X button for Ido, and it will open this. As you can see, everything is live, everything is uh, cool and running, and this took me like maybe an hour to implement. And this can be anything. Okay, right now I just render cards of people, but it can be like, I don't know, your apartment if you are renting something on Airbnb, or your hotel, or everything else. It can be a date picker, it can be any UI element, and it's very easy to implement. This entire project is available for you. If you just want to take this project, you can use it. This is public. You can reach out to it here. I will put quickly a QR code so you can grab it. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so you can just scan and get into this repo and just fork and use it on your own. It's very simple, nothing too special here. So feel free to use it. If you want to learn more about this protocol and this new stuff, you can go to the MCP website. You can see here the MCP apps, or you can go to the official docs on how to implement it and how to use it. Okay, this is the entire docs. Okay, just here. So feel free to use it. And that's all. Let me know in the comment what you think. The internet is changing and the future is coming. So don't stay behind. Upgrade your stuff. Start using these cool new features. The future is with UI elements inside your chat. Thank you very much for listening. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn, on X. You can see the socials on this corner here. This is my website, github.dev, my LinkedIn, my X. Subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.